What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Neymar Jr. skin from Fortnite. Let's begin in the center of our page with the nose piece. Starting right in the center, start with a point. And angle this down and out towards the left and right side. Now from the ends we want to curve this down and in towards the center point. So we'll start with the left. Coming down and then bending that in. Go to the top right, come down and then in. Now from the side of the nose piece, we're going to work our way out towards the tip of the ears. Let's start on the left. Start with a curve going out, and we'll bend that all the way up towards the top. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. We're just taking that curve and just flipping it over. Going out, and then bending that up. And then from the top of the ear, angle down and in. And we'll pull this down and back in towards the side. Just tapering this so it's narrower as you come in. Let's close off the top of the head. We're going to connect these 2 points going up in the middle, rounding at the head, and then coming back down. And then we'll add that detail in the center of the head. Starting right in the middle, start with a point. Now from here we're going to curve this out and up towards the left. Go back to the center, go out and up on the right. And then halfway along this line, just going to curve this back out and then up. And then from the top, we're going to step out, curve down and then in, just underneath that center point. So start on the left, come down, and bending that in, go out and up. Let's add a trim along the inside, starting on the left, angle down and out, and then line this up on the right. From here we're going to come straight down the side, angle down and in. And then we'll pull this down on top of the nose piece. I'm going to go back up to the top, draw a straight line coming in, and we'll fill those little areas in black. Now we're going to move back down, tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw a half circle. Come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that up towards the side of the nose piece. And we'll pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. From the top left, we're going to step in, draw another half circle. Coming down, just pulling that up on the inside. And we'll add a smaller half circle in the center of the iris. Let's fill the pupils in black. And we're also going to fill the outside area of the eyes in black. Let's move out and draw the inside edge of the mask. Starting from the outside edge of the eye, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down and then into right about there. Let's line this up on the right, come down, and then bend that in. Let's come straight down the sides towards the chin. And we'll angle this down and in. Let's pull this up and in towards the inside of the head. Close off the center with a straight line. And now we're going to add a trim along the inside. Starting from this point, curve in and then down. Draw a short angle line coming in. Go up and in along the side. Close off the center with a straight line. Let's go back to the bottom corner of the chin, draw 2 straight angle lines coming in, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back out to the jaw, draw a straight angle line. coming down and out. Now from here we're going to curve the jawline coming in and then down toward the bottom of the chin. Let's go back up to the top, step down, curve the head going up, and then in underneath the brow. Now I'm going to separate the inside of the face, starting from the inside of the eye, curve this out, and then down. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the outside of the ear, starting from the top, curve this out, and then down. And bring this down towards the same height on the right. And then from here, come down and then in towards the side of the jaw. Now I'm going to add a couple bars along the inside of the ear. From the bottom corner, step up, follow that same curve, coming down and then in. Leave a small gap and draw that again. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going out and then up. Draw that one more time. And then from the top corner of the ear, step down, draw another curve. Let's fill the inside of the strips in black. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start all the way over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's go back to the center, underneath the chin, draw a short line coming down, and go down and out toward the left and right side. And then from here, curve out and then up towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to line up with the hips in the center, step down, draw a short line going across in between the legs. Now from the ends, we're just going to curve this out and then down towards the ankle. Now from the ankle, we're going to work our way out towards the first claw. Starting up here, go out, and then bend that down. Let's go back to the inside. I'm just going to curl the fin coming up and in. Come down and then back out. And then we'll curve the fin going out and then down toward the tip of the claw. Let's go back to the heel, draw a straight line coming down, curve this out and then down toward the tip of the claw. Now we're going to stack two more claws on either side. From the tip, let's step up, go out and then down, curve up, and then bend that in. Let's add another claw. From the tip, we'll step up, go out, and then down. Now here, we're going to curve the foot going up, and just pull that down in behind the top of the fin. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and close off the side of the leg. Let's start from the left hip. Curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Now I'm going to add some detail to the body. Let's start underneath the chest on the left side. Curve in and then down. And then from here, come down and just bend that out toward the side of the leg. Let's go to the top of the leg on the inside, curve up and then out. And now we're going to add some detail to the center of the body. On the left side, curve up and in, line this up on the right, and we'll pull this down and in towards the center. From that center point, let's step down, add a point, and go up and out toward the left and right. And we'll do that again, stepping down, add another point, and go up toward the left and right. Let's go back up to the hips, curl this in and then down, curl this down and then out towards the bottom of that line. Let's go to the top of the leg on the inside, curl this out and then down on top of the feet. And then from the bottom, taper this up and in. Let's step up, curl this up and out. Let's go back up to the top right side of the body and add the number 10. We're going to start underneath the chin, start with 2 straight lines going down, close off the top and bottom, move over towards the right, start with an oval, and I'll trace that out on the inside. I'm also going to add a trim along the top of the body, starting on the left side of the chin, curve out and then down, line this up on the right. And now that we complete the body, let's move out to the side and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll open up the hands, starting with the thumb from the wrist, curve in and back out. And then from the tip of the thumb, we're just going to taper this back up towards the hand. And then we'll add 3 claws on either side. Start from the top, go out and then down. Taper that back up towards the hand. And then we'll layer 2 more fingers on either side. From the tip, we'll step up, curve out and then down. And taper that back up towards the top. Let's add 1 more. Stepping up, go out and then down. And we'll just pull this up and in towards the wrist. Let's connect the outside of the wrist to the inside of the thumb with a curve, going up and then down. Now the form is going to flare out towards the elbow. Starting from the outside of the wrist, go straight up, and then just bend that in. And then from the top, come in, and then bend that down. Let's add some stripes along the top. Starting from the inside, taper this out. And we'll do that 1 more time, adding another stripe. And then from the top of the form, we're going to step down, curve the arm, going up and in underneath the head. Let's add some more detail to the top of the arms. From the top of the body, we'll step down, go across, and then bend that up. And I'll trace that out along the top. And then we'll go underneath the shoulder, draw a straight angle line going out toward the side, and then come down towards the forearm. And there we have it. There's Neymar Jr. from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out our Fortnite playlist. We're adding new characters every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.